This is a scene I created for my hero section using AI. I'm gonna go step by step about how you can create AI videos for your hero sections, website sections, or any way you like. Let's watch that. We're gonna use two SaaS services which is powered by Google Lab. First is Whisk, and then there is Flow. This both of them are powered by Google Lab. Then we're gonna use Notion also because this is where I pasted all the prompts. So first I'm gonna copy this first prompt. The first prompt is basically what it does is create a moon image, which is and the moon should be far but clearly visible. Okay, now I'm gonna paste this prompt right over here and then enter, and this is gonna create the frame for me. This is really powerful. You can pick anyone. Let's wait. Okay, first image is completed, second image is completed. So here I'm gonna choose the first image. So what it does is, what it's gonna do is just download it, click this and download it. And yeah, after that we're gonna need the second frame, which is the moon that is close to us. So here I'm gonna paste the second, copy the second prompt, and then I'm gonna delete this, and then here I'm gonna paste the second prompt, here second prompt, and then enter, and we're gonna wait. Yeah, it's completed. So these are the two images that Whisk gave us. So I think yeah, this image work fine. I'm gonna download this, and these are the two images I downloaded. First is this image. Here you can see that first image, and then there is second image, and this is second. Yeah, this is first image, and then this is the second image. Okay, and first and second, remember that. Now we're gonna use the flow. This is where magic happens. Okay, so we first need to select the toggle and change this to frame to video. Okay, and then it gives us two sections where we can add the first frame and second frame. Okay, now let's paste the third prompt, which is gonna create the video. So copy that and then come over here and paste, and then we're gonna add the two frames. First we gonna add the image of a moon that is far from us but visible. We have added the first frame, and now we're gonna add the second frame, and we have added the second frame. Here crop and save. Okay, done. That's it, we added the two frames. Now just we need to get it load, wait for it. Yeah, it's completed. These are the two frames. Now I'm gonna enter, and this gonna create a wonderful video. Let's wait and watch, and it's ready. Let's play it. Full view, full view. Okay, wow, this is the video I have created for us. Okay, and I'm gonna select it and post it. This is how you can create motion video using AI for your hero section or website you create. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.